He likes the towel.
Pride shared among students.
And now, like, they
Hey, buddy.
a lot better and a
Keep
lot
jumping.
safer.
Atta boy. He's trying to get out here.
Like other people want to go to Miami Northwestern, Miami Central.
There you go. That's a lot more activity that I've been getting out of him for a while.
And getting even better thanks to the students and
And
staff. who
head down. There he goes again.
Every day I learn something new.
Oh, well, food. He actually ate some of that. And this is what he likes. He puts his beak in between my fingers. He can lift his head up anytime he wants. He just likes that position. And that's where he wants to stay. I put a little towel in there for him. He likes that. Nothing left but little pieces of wet granola. Look at him. He's in his favorite position now. Listen to this crap. Where are you going, Hoppy? You gonna go for another jump? Yeah, you're doing so good. Don't go down that hole again. There you go. There you go. You are doing great, Hoppy. Nice move. Stop, hop, and roll. All right, Hoppy, where are you going? You rubbing that stuff off? Hoppy just had a bath. I pulled a little plastic lid with water in it. And he's been jumping around and rubbing his little feathers. Look at him. Where are you going, Hoppy? Well, he got this much left over for him. There's mine right there. I had to stop eating. I felt guilty because he wasn't eating. Hey, you gonna chirp? No. He's happy.